Hello folks, welcome to the video. If you wish to learn how to install Microsoft Teams, then watch this video. Now, I will prefer using Windows Store. That's one method to do it. So look for Teams and then we will look for Microsoft Teams here. And then we will click on install. This is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is to go to the browser if you do not prefer Store and to look for Microsoft Teams. Then we will click on download from the website and click on download Teams. Then we will open the folder, right click, and then we will run as administrator. Alright, and this should take some time and it will show you downloading Microsoft Teams, and it will download and install the software. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.